KXI mounted WX91 at Rathbun Lake, 730 at Atumwa, K51 at Carroll, K8 at Van Wert, KXI5 at Lennox, WN at Iowa Falls, WN68 at Dennis, W688 at Princeton, and KY at Forest City. Or to list what counties are served by each transmitter, the NOAA weather radio section of our website at weather.gov/Des Moines. Once again, please visit the NOAA weather radio section of our website at weather.gov/Des Moines. This concludes our test. We now return to regular programming.
Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of central Iowa. For today and tonight, isolated to scattered non-severe thunderstorms are expected this afternoon into